Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. In this video, we're going to show you how to send money from Canada to US via TD Canada Bank. On their website, you will see a section for Easy Web Online Banking. Click on the Login button under Easy Web Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on the option that says TD Global Transfer. First, select the country of destination. From the list, select United States. Next, select the state. Then enter the amount you wish to transfer. After that, click on the button that says Get Estimates. Now, select a transfer method. You have three options: send to account, which directly sends to the receiver's bank account, send to card, which only accepts Visa card, or cash pickup. Click on the Select button beside the method you wish to use. Here you'll see the transfer details and the TD Important Information. Read the TD Important Information. Then click on Continue. Also, you'll be reminded of fraud awareness. Read and understand the warning. Then click on Continue. Now, provide the transfer info. First, select the From account, or the account from which you're going to pull out the money. Second, add a recipient. Click on the Add button. On the pop-up window, enter the recipient's full name, home address, and a nickname. Although adding a nickname is just optional. After entering, click on the tick box to confirm that the recipient has given their consent to share their personal information. Then click on Add. If you chose to send to the recipient's card, enter the recipient's Visa card number on the field provided. But if you choose to send to bank as a transfer method, enter the recipient's account number, ACH routing number, and select the account type. After entering, click on the tick box to confirm that the recipient has given their consent to share their personal information. Then click on Add. Once you've added the recipient's information, select now the purpose of transfer. Also, it is required to add additional details. You can just state what the transfer is about, or any information related to the purpose of transfer. After entering all the necessary information, click on Continue. Lastly, review the transfer details. If everything's good, click on Send Money. That's how you send money from Canada to US via TD Canada Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.